When boredom strikes and kids need something playful yet creative to do indoors, the options can feel repetitive fast. Hot Dog. Cooking Kids games provide a vibrant outlet where children can prepare, decorate, and serve wildly imaginative hot dogs in a colorful digital kitchen. From toasting buns to adding whimsical toppings, every task is touch-friendly and packed with silly surprises that inspire endless giggles. The cheerful animations, user-friendly layout, and upbeat sounds make it easy for kids to dive into pretend culinary adventures without needing help. It might benefit from a few more structured cooking steps for those who enjoy a little more order, but spontaneity is clearly part of the fun. Hot Dog. Cooking Kids games offers a light-hearted culinary escape that's equal parts silly and satisfying. For the best experience, screen time should be balanced with active play and conversation. This quirky app may delight many chefs looking to cook up laughs.